Yep. Atherin. Atherin. Immense layout.
I was trying to get you running.
Just the wall cars. So reefers. Whoa. Oh, here's locomotives. Some more. Atherin. If I had the room, I would go to HO Hospital. See, no, I'm only sticking with in scale. This is my issue coming in here and seeing all this HO. I want to start an HO layout also. So he also has tools. So I get all my tools from. Lots of cat tractors. They don't make it like that no more. Wow. Special runs, cabooses, flat cars, stock cars, wow. Walters. Lots of toys. Red caboose, all HO. Atlas.
Having fun yet?
Yeah. Oh, I'm definitely doing 2 parts of this. I'll do a part 1, part 2. Oh, and here comes all the scenery. And if you got Chevron fans.
Get that out of here.
Oh, that's okay. If I had room, I'd put that in my house too. My wife would kill me. That's where all the Woodland Scenics material I get comes from.
Comes from me?
Yes, everything. You have more stuff in the back too, right? You were working on another room?
Yeah.
All right.
I put all the buildings back in.
Yeah, his building's in a separate room.
All the accessories here.
Oh yeah, more accessories. Look at all these cars. Oh, more Woodland Scenic HO
Still a
people.
work in progress, but it's still...
Yeah, let's check it out. Hot Wheels. Train sets too. We'll come back to that. But let's check out his. Wow. All buildings. All HO in here?
HO. Yep.
Wow.
All HO over here and here. Still working on it.
Yeah.
But,
Already built. I like that.
well, used.
Yeah, but that's, that's great.
But they're affordable.
Yeah. So look for
It's $2.
Oh, $2. Yeah. It looks great. Someone painted it. Someone put their love into it. Little weathering.
Yes, of course.
Some models. Wow. You got just every single brand you can possibly think of.
Yes, I do. Yeah, I just reworked this over the summer.
Wow. This came out great.
I got almost all my buildings out. I still have more, but still, it's. Well, we've been closed for
You
a
have more.
year.
Yeah, we've been closed. You've been closed for a year, so you've done some incredible work in here. Wow.
It's fun.
Yeah. It's more than a hobby. Oh, and his books. Forgot about the library. Got books on everything. I still need to come in here and to spend a few hours just on some books. Oh, that's cool. Oh, and here's all the train sets you got. HO and some N-Skill, right? And you got Lionel.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this
Just
is
a few here. And
this is
there.
the O-Skill section?
Yeah, what I have of it.
Yes. Cause you go quick on the O-Scale, right?
Yeah, I have people that want it already.
Before you even put it in the shop.
But we do have a store here in Gridley. It's Scott Douglas.
Oh, yes.
He has the engine house.
Yeah, he has
And
his house.
he converted his garage into repair and selling. And so I give a shout out to him. He's like 3 minutes away from here. He used to have a shop, but he couldn't make it for the pandemic and closed it up, made it half of his garage. He's on Craigslist. If you look in Lionel, Craigslist in Sacramento area, you can see his shop.
Yeah.
It's really great. He does a lot of repairs for me. Things walk in, I send them to him. Train collections come in, I send them to him.
We're gonna have to do, definitely gonna have to do a video on his shop too. Well,
Oh,
thank
sure.
you. Yeah, he'd appreciate that.
Yeah.
These are great little sets.
Yeah, those are all John Deere sets, and those only came from a John Deere dealer.
Wow.
One every year. That's why they're numbered. You can only
Yeah.
get them at a John Deere dealer.
Wow. Atherin made these?
Yeah.
Yeah, only at a dealer?
Yeah. They're
We-
numbered.
We do have a John Deere dealer in town, but I don't know if
No,
they
don't have 'em.
They don't have them. No, only Matt has them.
Well, yeah, they quit making them.
Yeah. And a Chucky doll, if you guys need that, everybody needs a Chucky doll in their house, right?
Especially on their layout.
Yeah, it's on their layout.
I took the case that he was in.
Yeah.
away,
Oh my
so
goodness.
He's like, he scares the kids.
Yeah. That's your home security. Star Wars for your Star Wars fans. Oh, you even have the Simpsons.
In fact, a lady just came in 2 weeks ago. When I first opened, she bought like 10, 12 Star Wars stuff.
Wow.
Just, you know, my prices are older now.
Yeah. I mean, even the
No,
vintage
it's-
stuff you have.
Yeah. If there's any Marks collectors,
Oh, he also has a Marks.
there's all sets.
All Mark sets. Army train.
Yeah, just tons of sets.
Oh, look at that.
It's just, I don't know what box to open up, but they're all in
Yeah,
great shape.
amazing.
Bought a nice big collection.
Wow. Old vintage games. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
And this is kind of a cool one right here.
The Army train. Oh wow, look at that. What year is this?
I think it's, I'm not sure,
Yeah.
but it has, I
Wow.
don't know if these are Marks or not, but this is the way I got the whole set with the stuff.
During World War II, I'm sure, huh?
No, this was 50s.
Oh, the 50s? Okay,
Yeah,
that's
probably
cool.
maybe 60s. But it's hard to find
Yeah, it is. You don't see
a
that.
set like that.
Wow. Terminator.
Many more stuff to come out.
Lazy track. Lots of Transformers. More toys. Wow. That's unbelievable.
If your guys are interested in toys too.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure. It's really mind blowing when you come in here. It's like you like trains, but then these toys bring back, you know, memories from when you're a child, and it's like, oh god, I gotta have that too.
Yes.
That's why the shop is great. This is why I wanted to share it with you guys. Lots of Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels and
Oh,
Matchbox.
yeah, I need to show them the case in the front of the vintage, real vintage ones. Hard to get. All DCC.
Yeah, that's a DCC.
Oh, this is a DCC case.
Not too much, but
Yeah.
haven't done anything for a year.
Yeah, no, you haven't.
All it's been is selling.
Yeah.
I haven't been able to replenish. Yet.
Southern Pacific Daylight Set, NHL.
Yeah, that's a Broadway Limited.
Wow,
This is
it's amazing. I need to find this for N-Scale.
so this is the pre-war set, and this is the
Wow.
post-war set.
Oh yeah, both. Oh yeah, it's cool. You can totally tell.
Well, I just got this one in.
Whoops.
Yeah,
Whoa.
it's just trains.
Look at this.
This is the California Zeppler.
Oh my gosh. It is so cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cars.
Wow. Yeah, I think that's what how many I have in my N-Scale set by Cutto.
Oh, really?
I think it's 12 or 13. Long train, I know that. On my little layout. That's great. Yeah, Broadway Limited, that's cool. Wow. Wonder how much you want for that. And the price on that is?
Somebody, well, this is somebody else's.
Uh-huh.
Someone bought it for $650.
Oh,
I
yeah.
wanted $850.
It's nice.
They're way up there.
Yeah.
And used locomotives.
Hey, oh yeah, got the used.
Of course.
American Freedom Train.
And the engines.
Yeah.
It's not organized. And there's what you were talking about, all the layaways for people.
Yep, all layaways. These are,
These are all on hold.
yeah, on hold for people
All
to pick
the
them up.
people, All the people.
Yeah, that's
want
what's
'em,
great.
I hold 'em.
Yep, he holds them for you until you're ready to pick them up.
Yeah.
And some more Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
Brass.
Yeah. Old scale brass.
Oh, wow.
That's probably the
This is, yeah, for you Hot
big,
Wheels guys.
the big bucks. I just
Hard to find.
just
Gosh.
put all that stuff in a week ago.
Really?
Yeah, a lot of it. That's a rare Hot Wheels set. The 95 set. It's pretty desirable.
So they came in, oh no, they came in cases like that? Or you put them in cases?
yeah, no, I protected
Yeah,
them.
you do that, all that, everything.
Oh, you have
Yes,
to.
you protect everything, all these
Yeah.
rare
You have
cars.
to. If you gather some of the prices, it's like nuts. They're going crazy now.
Well, great, man. You have an amazing store. I'm glad I got to come in and share it with everybody else.
Sure. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
If someone wants some out there, you know, you can always do it.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, here I can run the trains.
Yeah, you can run some trains for you today. Little N-Scale layout.
And it's not for sale.
Yeah, he.
Everybody wants.
Everybody
to buy that.
wants that.
It's in progress.
Yeah, it runs great though.
But the kids love it.
Yeah, kids come in and they first thing they come to is this, and they play with
And they
it.
can run it.
Yep, and they run it too.
It's kid friendly. Can't just go in. Of course, it's my test track too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So it's 3 tracks.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 run off of one,
Okay. Yeah, I see.
and then just that way. Then this one goes off here.
All right.
Then by a flip of a toggle, you
That's
put my
DCC.
DCC.
Yeah, your NCE. You also use that.
Yeah. Good friend David Neighbors, he did that for me.
Yeah, the DCC guy in
Yeah.
the area.
This runs, that's an old Atlas engine there. And it's very smooth.
Yeah, these run
I
great.
haven't changed it over. It's still a horn hook couple. But this one here, this old model, somebody weathered and stuff. And
Yeah, that's
like a
great.
top.
Yeah.
Of course, everything on here is for sale. Even my Chuck Yeager airplane
Yeah.
signed.
Oh, signed by Chuck Yeager.
Yeah. It's missing a prop though.
Yeah.
But you know, he just passed
He
away.
just passed away, yeah. Oh, and your brass, little brass section over here.
Yeah, a little brass here and there. Sold a bunch of stuff, but I haven't replenished it yet.
Yeah.
So, anyway.
Well, Matt, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Oh, sure. Yeah. And we'll,
We'll definitely have to make another visit, come in, and well, I definitely will, but I have to bring the guys. And
well,
So-
you'll probably get questions of, oh, wait, pan back on that one.
Yeah.
Pan back on that one. Wait, don't stop. So, you know, if you see something, you can always give a call.
Yep, just give Matt a call. I'll leave his number and his information in the description box here. And
Yeah, one of my worker bee did my sign for me up front. So that's
yeah, his sign, we got that definitely. Yeah, your worker bee is absolutely amazing. Wish I can take that sign home too.
oh here, let me light it up.
Oh yeah, look at that. It lights up. Oh, you have the light right on it. That's great.
Oh yeah. That's on old tender.
Wow. Those are
And then there
amazing.
the
Oh yeah.
that's the switch light. That's,
Yep, switch light from
WP.
WP also.
Yeah.
And that's a radio from SP?
SP, yeah. Yeah, little memorabilia.
Yeah, it's great. You have a little case of more stuff in here. I know there's a few things in that case I've been eyeballing.
Oh, the knick-knack stuff.
Yeah. And then your G.I. Joes, Star Wars. Yeah, it's great.
You never did. You look up at the top. Huh?
Yeah, I need to let me go around the top before.
And I have a guy interested in all the Star Wars stuff. So
Oh, look at that.
he found out I had it.
Yeah.
He's going to come in for it.
Wow. Hope we get it all, most likely.
Yeah, all my figures and everything.
See, they come in and they go right out. Then you get some more stuff in.
Yeah, then I get to put more stuff out.
Yeah. You make more room, put more stuff
Those
in.
boxes up there.
Yep, more stuff to come down.
That's all marks.
All
It's
marks.
Marks lithograph stuff like buildings and play sets and
Wow.
junk like that.
Yeah, they'll be coming in down soon, and I'll have to make another video. All right, guys. Hope you have a wonderful night. Definitely stay in touch. Any questions, just leave a question in the description box, and we'll get back with you. All right, Matt. Thank you so much for the tour.
Oh, sure.
All right, you guys
Thanks,
have a
Sean.
yep. Thank you. Have a good night.